What's up, guys? Welcome to the Raiders Moto Home, the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. 2016. We got a Honda HRV. We got an old man right there. And in this video, we'll show you exactly how to replace gas shocks. Step by step. In this order. For this job, for the first part, you're gonna need 14 millimeter. You're gonna need, what's that?
That's a 5 millimeter and 14. That's it. And you just a fork and something take this cap.
The other side, I can't see it here.
That's it. That's a take like this.
So just removing the plastic cap.
And another side too.
He's replacing both.
That's a take inside the.
Alright, so you're using Allen just to keep it in place from spinning. That's it, nut is removed.
Another side too, same.
Make sure you don't drop those. And those are replacing ones.
You lift it up.
So if you don't have a hoist, you can use a jack. But since we have a hoist. Okay, so that is removed.
Again 14.
And that is out. And both of those are out now. Oh man, just for turning the bolt inside so we don't end up looking for it later on.
Replace this guy, no buy that complete. We need to replace
The plastic. Okay. What was that old saying? If in doubt, bring a bigger hammer out.
if you like have you hoist, I put this. If you don't have hoist, better you put first in top and after you put
Slowly release the jack and then the car comes down. And the hole is right there, just in case you were wondering. So before it goes into the hole, when he lowers it down, he has to. Oh, he's gonna finish first. So.
after you put a little bit, don't complete tight.
Oh yeah, what he's saying, like, so it's not gonna tighten all the way, so that gives you a chance to move the shock. Yeah, so you can find a hole. That's good enough. Same thing. The plastic cover. Alrighty, so he's just gonna lower it down. Okay, so
Just move to front to bolt go out.
alright, so like
You check.
so, and then you can double
You see
check.
that? Have you seen a little bit?
Alrighty, so this side is okay. This side not so much.
Down.
Look at that, both sides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Center.
that's
Make sure it's not in center.
That's it. Now it's okay.
Yeah, you can see the little rubber piece outside.
Put this. Put like this. Put the.
So like right here, as you can see, the little rubber piece
No, good
is
job.
centered, so it's seated good.
No.
And then
Yeah, now
this
it's okay.
rubber piece needs to go on top. Not lose it. Hold on, like so. So you can see it right there. And then
And
just
you
a
see-
cap goes on top.
Yes.
And then a nut.
That's it.
And I'm gonna have to check, see exactly how much torque it goes, but you can go ahead and torque, and I'll post that in a link or a bio.
We put the. Look at this. Again.
Same thing. You want to put a 5mm Allen wrench.
That's not 5 millimeter. That's a aftermarket. Maybe 4 millimeter. You see which? No, this is. So I think I might go for 5 millimeter. Oh yeah, fine.
Yeah,
Tight.
and those are KYB aftermarket ones.
That's you tight. Don't worry. You have a distance.
How much?
No,
Oh,
you have original. Like a
so you
bushing.
can't over tighten
No,
it.
you have bushing. To really, you tight close to the bushing, that's it. You see? That's a finish. That's a good finish and a little bit tight.
And just put a cap, and that's it for this job.
So here it is. To go inside.
The tooth. And the job is done on this side. And the old man's gonna do the same thing on that side and that. Make sure that both sides are tight. And that will finish the job. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next video.